What is lacking in most companies is having an architecture which really supports agile development. This is a quote from Peter Pedras in 5 Things I Wish I'd Known Before My First PI Planning. I can highly recommend to watch the whole episode, so click the link up here. But now, let's not waste any more time and see what's behind the 16th wicket.
We all know that in the PI Planning app, it signals an overload wonderfully with red color directly at each iteration. But what if we would like to see when we get too close to our capacity limit? Nothing easier than that. In the settings, we can define the percentage at which the PI Planning app should signal us that we are close to our capacity limit. For some of you, this can be as low as 20%. For others, it's 80%. It's up to you to what you set it. When we reach the critical mark, it will not be signaled with red, but with yellow. Especially for RTEs, this can be a very good and important setting.